locations. This time we're looking at shopping centres, and this is the penultimate one in the different locations for retail businesses. And as always, see Justin, click for help. Here are the learning steps for lesson 21 on shopping centres. First of all, we're going to look at knowing what shopping centres offer. Obviously we know what they are, we're talking about what they offer, and we're not just talking about the retailers. Then we're going to build on that by looking at why consumers choose shopping centres. What do they have to offer, potentially over high streets? Then we're going to look into and be able to explain how a shopping centre can actually offer hybrid retailing. So that's a key word from Learning Objective 1, where we're talking a shop within a shop. And then we're going to look at, obviously the vocab that going with that will be footfall, because we come back to footfall quite often, facilities that a shopping centre can offer, and hybrid retailing. You'll know when you've completed the lesson when you can state what a shopping centre offers, that you can describe why consumers choose them over high street retailing, and you can explain how shopping centres offer hybrid retailing. The careers at the bottom, we're up to E's. We've got emergency medical dispatcher, estate agent and events manager. There are two tasks for this lesson. You've got a leaflet to make, and that you have 3 exam questions to respond to. Shopping centres. Many towns and cities in the UK have shopping centres. They are usually located in urban areas where a range of different retailers are housed under one roof. These shopping centres will usually have other hospitality and leisure facilities to satisfy a wide range of customer needs, and will have a high footfall. Many of these shopping centres will be located in the centre of town and city centres near to the main high street, but some are located away from the centre in out-of-town locations. Shopping centres will differ in size depending on where they are located. Some will have as little as a dozen or so shops, while others may have over 100 shops. Larger shopping centres are also more likely to have hospitality and leisure facilities and regular events to help boost footfall. Here are 6 of the 12 shopping centres we can have a look at. At the top we've got Westfield Centre and St David's Centre. In the middle we've got Maryhill and Arndale, and then the Bullring and Bluewater Centre, and it'll be up to you to choose some of them to go and investigate what they have inside them. Task 1. The top 12 shopping centres. The top 12 shopping centres in the UK by size are as follows in that table. Reading across the top row we've got Westfield Shepherd's Bush in London, and the metre square size is 235,900 square metres, and its annual visitors are 27.5 million. So that's how we read across the rows, and then you'll see down as you go down the table there's some that you've probably been to and heard of as well. Your task: select one of the shopping centres on the table, that one on the left, go visit their website. Produce a promotional leaflet to persuade people to visit it. That's using Publisher. Include in your leaflet reference to the hospitality and leisure facilities the shopping centre has. Task 2, question 1. Question 1 to 3 actually are the exam questions, hence the dragons popped up again. You need to use the information in your leaflet and the starter information on the 6 images slide to help you answer these questions. Question 1. Explain the advantages and disadvantages for retailers locating in a shopping centre. So here you've got to think about what's offered in the shopping centre, who else is there, what facilities, car parking, toilets, cafes, all these things are going to benefit the retailer that operates there. Question 2. Explain why shoppers would prefer to shop in a shopping centre rather than on the high street. Now we've just covered the local areas in terms of what the local high street can offer. It's a community, it's supporting local small businesses, it's near homes. Now think of what a shopping centre offers customers in terms of convenience and choice, and not just shops that it offers. Think of the extra details that it offers in terms of facilities and leisure facilities, because it's not just shops in shopping centres. All of that goes in the question 2 box. Question 3. Explain how shopping centres can illustrate hybrid retailing. So let's first remember what hybrid retailing is. If we think about, say, the local next by us, in that next, it's actually got a Costa and a Paper Chase, so it's more than a Next retailer in one building. So if we think of these shopping centres that we've got listed, the 12 on the table or the 6 in the photographs, then they're owned by one company. So if we see it all as a company, what other things can you do? You go to one shopping centre, and what else can you do other than shop, say for clothes? What other things does it offer you in terms of eating, drinking, facilities, entertainment, all these things? All these things are the ones you need to think about for hybrid retailing. So well done, you have completed the 2 tasks for lesson 21 on shopping centres. One more lesson on locations to go.